The phase in 2025 when you were going through a lean patch. I think you didn't score a single 50 at the time.
For around 400 plus days.
Yeah.
How can I forget that? No, see, I've also seen in my career when I used to play for India in T20s and when I used to not get runs, there was always someone to support me. Yeah. There was always, like, for example, when I played under Rohit Bhai, he used to come and tell me, भाई मुझे पता है कि तू कभी भी रन बना सकता है, तो तू ये मत सोचना कि तू आगे जाके नहीं खेलेगा या क्या होगा तेरे साथ, तू बस ये सोचना कि तू टीम को कैसे जिता सकता है, वो छोटा कंट्रीब्यूशन कैसे कैसे कर सकता है तू. So I had learnt a lot of these things from him. And then when I went to his shoes and when these players were going through a lean patch, then I had the same thing to tell them. Because मैंने जो सीखा है, and if it has worked for me, then it will definitely work for them also. Everyone works hard. Yes, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेहनत सब लोग करते हैं, but at the same time to be very very humble and show that humility after achieving things is also very important. Abhishek had a wonderful 2025. And we knew that कि कोई guarantee नहीं है कि 2025 में अच्छा किया है तो 26 में भी अच्छा होगा. If it has to happen, it will happen. It's all God's grace. And the way World Cup started for him and the way Sanju also in 2025 losing his position, batting out of order, and then batting anywhere, then losing his spot, all these things happened. It actually disturbs the player. I understand completely. And I had to tell him in Australia that I know that how difficult it is for you to be in a different position, which you don't like, but you're still doing it for the team. I think that's commendable. I had to apologize also to him. It's very difficult. But this is what I can do because I also am thinking about from team's point of view. I also want the team to win. So all these things aligned. And then it was written for him that he'll definitely come up good whenever it's needed the most. And the way he did in the World Cup, I think it was a big boost for me. I tell it everywhere. All these 14 players, they've made my job easier. Completely doing a different things, good things at right time. And coming back to Abhishek, I think Abhishek, it was due. I used to tell him, try and stay away from social media if you can, because he was still is a world number one player. But the way he played in 2025, there was a lot of expectations from him. So you want the same player to play the same way. But when the things are not going your way, there are a lot of people talking here and there. But at that time, if you create that balance in life, I think that is very important. And he understood close to the Super 8 semi-finals. And in the finals, he did the same way what he is known for.